Hi everyone, this is Jordan from gpexpenses.co.uk with a quick video guide on how to submit your GP home to base mileage claims. This guide does assume that you've done all of the setup already, and if you need help with that, there is a step-by-step guide on gpexpenses.co.uk to follow. Once you've logged into the Easy software, you should be on this page, and you're going to want to click on the left-hand side on expense claims. That should bring up this page, which will be auto-populated with your home address and your base practice address. In order to submit a new claim, you click on the right-hand side on Add/Edit. That should bring you to this page for submitting and recording your journeys. So we'll choose a date, let's say last Friday when I went to work, and expense type will be home to base mileage for GP trainees based in a GP practice only. And then start, once again, should be auto-populated. You click on home, and end will be base. And then this will bring up an automatic mileage figure, which is the shortest journey possible, I believe, and that cannot be changed. To make the return journey a bit easier to submit, there's this green return arrow on the right-hand side, which you can click on, and that will automatically bring up the return journey for the same date. If you want to add more journeys at the same time, you can then click the green plus on the right-hand side. And just as an example, I will do last Thursday, again home to base mileage. Start will be home, end will be base, and then return journey with the green return arrow on the right hand side. Once you've put in all of the journeys you wish, in order to then save these, you click on the right top hand side where it says save, and this will record them under the unsubmitted claims section. Once it comes to submitting them, you then open up the unsubmitted claims section. I tend to do a month in one go to make it a bit easier for your authorizing manager. You then select all of the claims you want to submit, and you click on submit on the right hand side. This will bring up a declaration saying that these are true and reasonable claims you're making. And once you click the checkbox, you can then submit them to your manager. I won't do that right now because I haven't finished this month. I hope that's helpful. It's not the easiest piece of software to use, and certainly the setup is long-winded, but hopefully the guide on gpexpenses.co.uk as well as this video is helpful. Any questions, do feel free to ask or pop a comment below, and I'll try and respond. Take care, guys. Bye.